Alright you guys, let's start with the makeup look. This is the blue graphic liner. This is perfect also for the Christmas makeup look. Hello lovely people! Welcome to another brand new video. And for this video, I'm gonna be doing this makeup look. I've seen this on Instagram. There are a lot of makeup looks with graphic liner, and I'm very interested to do this kind of makeup look. It's very trendy right now on Instagram. So guys, if you want to see how I created this makeup, then keep on watching. So without further ado, let's get started. Let's start with priming my eye with primer from MAC Prep and Prime. And for my eyeshadow, I'm using this Morphe X James Charles, the mini palette. And I'm applying the base of my crease with the white one. And I put tape at the outer V of my eye to create a sharp winged liner. And I'm using angled brush for my winged liner. I combined the dark blue and the light blue for my makeup look. First, we'll create a line at the outer V. I'm just creating an eyeliner, so it's like a fox liner towards my crease. So I'm shading it back and forth to create a very vivid blue color. And I'm creating a sharp line towards my tear duct. I sprayed my brush with the rose water to create a very sharp line. I used the same shade for the next line. So I'm creating a crease towards the upper corner of my crease. Creating a half crease towards my upper eyelid. And I'm picking this light blue shimmer to apply it at the middle of my crease. And I'm using blue shimmer for my lower lash line. time to remove the baking. And I'm applying volumizing false lashes. Alright you guys, I'm done with my makeup. Let's just finish it with Tarte Ready Set Radiant Setting Spray. I personally like it. This is one of my favorite makeup looks, the graphic liner. So this kind of makeup is 60s look, which is very trendy right now on Instagram. And I'm doing this for the first time. I did already the Ariana Grande makeup look, which is the same kind of concept as well. So this type of makeup look that I created, it's in the shade of blue eyeshadow. Created a winged liner and then a kind of curve in my crease, and I pair it with nude lipstick. This is really perfect for a party when you do Christmas party, which is not gonna happen this year. Hope you enjoy watching my video, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in my next one. Bye!